to today's web session, What's New with Adaptive Insights? My name is Mark Wagner and I'm a senior consultant with Armanino. I'm going to take you through some exciting new features and enhancements recently released. This video will focus on updates which are now available to all customers. We will discuss general updates across the Adaptive Suite, as well as updates specific to planning, reporting, and discovery. As you can see, there are a number of updates that are applicable throughout Adaptive. Let's start with manual recalculations. With manual recalculations, you can isolate cube and modeled sheets from the rest of your instance so that calculations only occur on demand instead of occurring every time your data changes. This provides a great performance benefit. Import restrictions. Before, any user that could import data to any level. Now you can allow that same behavior, or you can ensure that they can only import data to the levels that they are assigned. There have been significant changes to the planning module. Let's walk through these changes. Probably the biggest change in this release is the support for modeling in multiple granularities. This allows modelers to choose what granularity of time to set for a particular modeled or cube sheet. Now data can flow between sheets of different granularities. Another big change is when you're updating the time calendar, you no longer wipe out your previously existing data. Be sure to use the update option when importing the edited calendar. There are a number of new syntax updates that have been made. The one I want to focus on is the position of syntax. Existing time-related functions have been superseded by this new syntax. The version in fiscal month syntax will not work with the new custom time strata. Date and attributes on a modeled sheet are now accessible by using row.hireDateMonth or row.salesDateWeek syntax. Now we can discuss other modeling updates. Users can now create separate subversions. For example, you can have a version for your originally imported actuals from your accounting system, an actuals version for your manual adjustments, another one for your allocations. All subversions then roll up to a total parent actuals version. Also, you can now export the cube account definitions for a cube sheet by clicking Printable View in that cube. Now let's talk about the changes made to reporting and discovery modules. Let's kick off with changes to web reporting. Calculation elements on attribute tiers are now available. This gives us the ability to apply any of the 3 calc elements to an attribute tier. We can now also create report favorites. This creates a shortcut for users to directly run a report from the main navigation menu. Office Connect reporting. We now have the ability to show zeros or blanks within Office Connect. There are also some new handy shortcuts that have been listed. Within our discovery reporting, you can use the new cross-tab chart option. This allows us to visualize data in a grid table to analyze the effect of different dimensions on actual and planned data. There is also a new migration tool. This allows you to import classic discovery UI perspectives into the new UI. That's it for today. Please join us for future webcasts discussing new features and helpful hints to improve your user experience within Adaptive. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me or anyone on our team with additional questions.